The Samsung Galaxy S4 Zoom has a huge 16 megapixel CMOS sensor with 10 times optical zoom, and it protrudes heavy on the device. Is that big bump worth it? Does it take good pictures? Let's find out. The Samsung Galaxy S4 Zoom is not sharing the same camera sensor as their Galaxy S4 or their other mobile lines. It's more sharing the same DNA as their Galaxy camera that they came out with last year, and it takes phenomenal photos, as you can see here. Even in dark conditions, it takes pretty good photographs outside. But you can see it's sometimes with the white balance, it gets kind of thrown off, it tends to overexpose. But for the most part, look at how detailed these photos are. And the color replication is very good, and the level of detail is incredible. So the S4 Zoom is like having a really good point and shoot right on the back of your smartphone. So here, this is a picture taken with no zoom, and this picture is taken with 5.6 times zoom, about halfway in the exact same spot, and then full 10 times optical zoom. I mean, you can't do that on other smartphones right now, and that is pretty incredible. But the thing you have to be careful with is when you're at 10 times optical zoom, you have to be really careful that you don't shake this and you hold it completely still, because if you don't, you can really get some blurry pictures here. But for the most part, you won't believe how this thing performs. I mean, look at this in the parking lot where you're getting minimal lighting here with just street lights, indoors at a restaurant where it's really dark, just pretty much just ambient lighting in there with some candles and a little bit of regular light. Sometimes it does have troubles focusing there, like you can see on the stake, it's not completely sharp. But I mean, look at that stop sign, it's almost pitch dark out there, and it definitely performs better than your average smartphone camera. When taken right, macro photography looks incredible with the Galaxy S4 Zoom, and even when you zoom in, look, you're not losing much clarity at all. Lots and lots of detail. But it suffers in some ways like some point and shoot cameras do, where the exposure and the lighting conditions, it just can't pick up right on autofocus. But you do have manual controls, and that's where you can change those things for you have full control of manual settings on the Galaxy S4 Zoom like the Galaxy camera. Let's jump to the 1080p video. This is a sample video test of the Samsung Galaxy S4 Zoom. And I'm going to test out the stabilization here since I'm walking. And we're going to go into macro focus real quick. And it looks like there's no manual focus, but it's tap to focus instead. Let's see how it handles zoom while you're shooting video. It looks like that handles that pretty well. This is a sample of the nighttime video on the Samsung Galaxy S4 Zoom. And it is out in a parking lot right now, and it's completely dark out here with minimal lighting. And just wanted to see what the video is going to look like on this Infinity. And we'll try the zoom here now, optical zoom, and see how the focus does. And that's at 10 times optical zoom. And I'm going to step out of that. Sample of nighttime video. So to sum things up, this is definitely better than your average smartphone camera. It takes good daytime pictures, nighttime pictures, great 1080p video. It does have its quirks here and there. It's not perfect, but with the manual controls, you can definitely have more control of that, and you will not be disappointed if you're going to use this as a camera. So please follow me on Twitter at SuperScientific. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for the support.